to place an anatomic healing abutment in the planning in coDiagnostiX. Select your implant. Then, in the tooth position menu, select abutment. In the abutment list, find the anatomic healing abutment you want to use for this treatment. In this case, we select anatomic healing abutment with a gingiva height of 2.5 millimeters. Select dataset alignment to adjust the position of the anatomic healing abutment, rotating it into the correct position. Once adjusted, click close to finalize the implant position with the anatomic healing abutment in place. Now, anatomic healing abutment is correctly positioned, and you can proceed with planning the next steps.